I was in the South years ago. I was in a line at a Walmart. There's a guy behind me. I was just trying to pass the time, be nice. I say, hey, man, how you doing? He'd go, I tell you what. And he wouldn't tell me what. I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to be mean. I was like, what? He'd go, what are you going to do? I guess I'm going to wait for you to tell me what. And he said, there you go. All right.
I've lost hundreds and hundreds of hours of my life during quarantine to TikTok. Are any of you on that crack? Don't if you're not on it yet, because it is... I open it up in the morning, I scroll 3 times, I look outside, it's night, I have a long beard, I don't know where the time goes. I just lose all time. And here's the thing, TikTok, you know, it's 95% children dancing, right? But that's kind of what I love about it, is because I'm so impressed with how good children are at dancing now. That was not my generation. I never learned, none of my friends knew how to dance. I remember going to my first dance in middle school. I was walking towards the dance floor for the first time, and someone stopped me and was like, white kids can't dance. And that's what he told me, right to he literally put his hand against my chest, white kids can't dance. Which now I guess would be like a fucking hate crime in 2020, but not for me. That was the best stereotype I ever heard. I was like, oh, okay, perfect. I'll focus on drinking. And then that's what I've been doing.
Alright, I'm sitting in the car waiting to pick up medicine from my mom because it's not ready yet. So let's do some filters! Green, red, yellow, blue, Donald Trump. Orange. Pink. Is my order ready yet? Entertain me. Where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Alright, he's gone. I could not care less. Nobody cares. What are people using these filters for? Okay, this one's entertaining. Ah! Do I still need a... Da-da-da-da-da. Ooh. Ooh. I like that. Oh, that's cool. Screw it. One more. Let's go. Yeah, Lego. It was not a good photo. But great. When I'm a Lego, I'm at least 55. Awesome.
I hate when guys say, girls take forever to get ready. Why can't they be fast like guys? It's like, have you seen guys? They're disgusting. They should take way longer.
Haddad, what is dark humor? Want to know what dark humor is? Next time you see an army vet with no arms, tell me you give him a hand. But that, I'm blind. Yeah, I know.
When you're 40, if you go to the doctor, guess what? They don't try to fix anything anymore. They just go, yeah, it starts to happen. They don't care. I went to the doctor because my ankle hurt. The doctor, he brings me and he shows me an x-ray of my ankle. He's like, yeah, your ankle's just worn out. I was like, what do you mean, I injured my ankle? He's like, no, it's just now. It's like an incurable ankle, that's it. And he goes, well, there's things you can do. You can stretch. For a half hour a day, you should stretch your ankle. I was like, how long will that take to fix it? He's like, no, you just do that now. That's just a new thing you do until you and your ankle both die.
But there must have been a Death Star canteen, yeah? There must have been a cafeteria downstairs. Just chill and go down. I will have the penne alla arrabbiata. You'll need a tray. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? This is not a game of who the f*** are you. For I am Vader, Darth Vader. I can kill you with a single thought. But you'll still need a tray. No, I will not need a tray. I do not need a tray to kill you. I can kill you without a tray, with the power of the Force, which is strong within me. Even though I could kill you with a tray if I so wished. For I would hack at your neck with the thin bit until the blood flowed across the canteen floor. No, the food is hot. You'll need a tray to put the food on. Oh, I see the food is hot. I'm sorry. I did not realize. I thought you were challenging me to the fight to the death. Fight to the death? This is a canteen. I work here. Yes, but I am Vader. I am Lord Vader. Everyone challenges me to a fight to the death.
I've been so lonely in COVID. The other day, my Bluetooth speaker was like, ready to connect. And I was like, me too. I want to connect with people that don't even want to connect with me. I met my new neighbor the other day. He's this burly biker dude. He goes, what's up? My name is Chainsaw Mike. Yeah, and I didn't want Chainsaw Mike to think that I didn't also have a scary nickname. So I was like, what's going on? My name is Indoor Dining Pete.
With two other families that we were going to go to the water park together, okay? The other husband, Jake, from the other family, he called me up. He said, hey, man, there's a lot of us. Why don't we get 2 cabanas? That way we have somewhere to sit, and that way we're all comfortable. I said, great idea. He said, we'll get 2 of them, and we'll split it 3 ways. I said, great idea. He goes, we'll get 2 of them, and you book it. That way they're together. I said, no problem. I went over to my wife to ask her to book the cabanas because booking cabanas is her department. So I went over to her and I said, hey, baby, can you book 2 cabanas? And then she goes, why do we need 2 cabanas? I said, because I'm asking, pretty girl, can you please book 2 cabanas? Are you sure that we need 2 cabanas? Yeah, it's the second time I've said yes. I am sure that we need 2 cabanas. So pretty girl, if you could please book 2 cabanas. Well, I don't want to have to pay for 2 cabanas. We're not going to pay for 2 cabanas, honey. Okay, we're going to split it 3 ways. Can you please book 2 cabanas? Well, how many people are we going to have? Because 1 cabana says it holds 10 people. 14. We're going to have 14, honey. 14 is more than 10. You see how that works? Can you please book 2 cabanas? Well, not all of us are going to be in the cabana at the same time. Are you sure? Yes, of sure that I need 2 cabanas.
Oh, it's been a minute since I made an original post, and all I'm going to just say is Rams house, baby. Playoffs, Rams versus Panthers. This is either going to go one or 2 ways. It's either going to be like a close game because Stafford is going to have a hard time throwing the ball to whoever and just throws interceptions, or it's going to be a blowout, and I think Panthers are just going to be happy they're even here, but the game is just going to be too big for them, and Rams are just going to just demolish. So that's my predictions. Let's see how it goes. Rams house, baby. Brock's rocking the Puka Nacua jersey with number 17. I know he's number 12, but this is before he was 12. Got my Stafford jersey on. Whoop. Rams house. Let's go.
Hello, police. I'd like to report crime.
Now, we are on lunch break.
Well, can I call back later?
Now.
How about some peanut butter recently? It was creamy, chunky, extra chunky, and now extreme chunky peanut butter. I bought the extreme chunky. I opened it up. It was just peanuts. That is extreme, trying to spread that stuff. This is radical! All those extreme products, I feel like a coward eating the regular stuff. Hey, check out that puss eating the regular Doritos. Can't handle the extreme ones. I'm working my way. You got served, sucker!
Have you tried the new Dragon Fruit Mountain Dew? About time. I'll be back. But before I leave, I need my hat. What? Also, check out some DJ Hunts merch at djhunts.shopify.com. Buy some right now. Love the can. I'm about to have diabetes. Holy crap. I literally went into this thinking, like, what does dragon fruit taste like? I totally forget what dragon fruit tastes like, and holy crap. I love dragon fruit. It's gonna give me juice for like 5 days straight. Like, yo, Baja Blast, you may want to watch yourself, because this is, you gotta run for your money right here. Like, don't be surprised if you go to Taco Bell and you start seeing, like, dragon fruit, Mountain Dew, slushies, and sodas or whatever. Yep, I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Dragon fruit Mountain Dew. 10. Tell me in the comments down below which soda I should do next.